Hello, good morning, friend. How are you? Today we are going to start new student. Today you have to draw drawing sheet of architecture and pin configuration of 8085 microprocessor. Introduction. A microprocessor is the semiconductor chip that implement the central processor of computer. The microprocessor work as a brain of a computer. It consists of an arithmetic and logic unit ALU and a control unit. A microprocessor are usually characterized by speed, word length, architecture, and instruction sets. Feature of Intel 8085 microprocessor. 8085 microprocessor can be read or write or perform arithmetic and logical operation on 8-bit data at a time. Single chip NMOS device implemented with 6200 transistors. It has 40 pin with dual inline package. It is 8-bit general purpose microprocessor. Require a single plus 5 volt DC power supply. Provide on a chip clock generator, so 8085 microprocessor does not require external clock generator but require external tune circuit like RC, LC or crystal. RC means resistor capacitor, LC means inductor capacitor on chip bus controller. Provides 74 instruction with 5 addressing mode. Operating frequency 3 to 5 MHz is required. Provides 16 address line so that 8085 microprocessor can access 2 raised to power 16, that is equal to 64 kilobyte of memory. Provide 5 level hardware interrupt and 8 software interrupt. Can generate 8-bit input output address, so 2 raised to power 8, that is equal to 256 input and 256 output port can be accessed. Provide 2 serial input output line, so serial peripherals can be interfaced directly with 8085 microprocessor. It has multiplexed address and data bus to reduce hardware pin. Pin diagram and description. AD0 to AD7 multiplex address data bus. These are 8-bit bidirectional tri-state carry pin to carry address as well as data in time share mode. The lower order 8-bit address signal are multiplexed with data bus. A8 to A15 address bus. These are an output tri-state signal used to carry higher order addresses signal of 16-bit addresses. These are non-multiplex unidirectional tri-state address line. ALE address latch enable. This is an output signal used to latch the lower order addresses into the latch IC ALE is low to high pulse signal. ALE signal are used to separate addresses signal from the data signal, that is A0 to A7 and D0 to D7 from AD0 to AD7. Input output memory. This is an output status signal used to give the status of operation performed with memory or input output by microprocessor. When input output memory is low, the microprocessor is performing the operation related to memory, and when input output memory is high, the microprocessor is performing the operation related to input output devices. S1 and S0 status signal. These are output status signal used to give status of operation performed by the microprocessor. RD means read. This is an active low output control signal used to read the data from memory or input output devices generated by the microprocessor. WR write. This is an active low output control signal used to write data to memory or input output device generated by the microprocessor. READY ready. This is an active high input control signal and used by the microprocessor to check whether the peripheral is ready or not for transfer. If ready pin is high, READY ready pin is high, then the microprocessor complete the operation and proceed for next operation. When ready pin is low, READY ready pin is low, the microprocessor will wait until it goes high. This signal is used to synchronize slower peripheral with faster processor. Pin diagram of 8085 microprocessor is shown in the diagram. Pin number 1 is X1, pin number 2 is X2, pin number 3 reset output, pin number 4 SOD, pin number 5 SID, pin number 6 trap, pin number 7 RST 7.5, pin number 8 RST 6.5, pin number 9 RST 5.5, pin number 10 INTR, pin number 11 INTA, pin number 12 AD0, pin number 13 AD1, pin number 14 AD2, pin number 15 AD3, pin number 16 AD4, pin number 17 AD5, pin number 18 AD6, pin number 19 AD7, pin number 20 VSS, pin number 21 A8, pin number 22 A9, pin number 23 A10, pin number 24 A11, pin number 25 A12, pin number 26 A13, pin number 27 A14, pin number 28 A15, pin number 29 S0, pin number 30 ALE, pin number 31 WR, pin number 32 RD, pin number 33 S1, pin number 34 IOM, pin number 35 ready 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 pin number 36 reset in, pin number 37 clock out, pin number 38 HLDA, pin number 39 hold, and pin number 40 VCC, means the supply voltage required VCC plus 5 volt. Trap pin, TRAP trap. This is an active high edge and level trigger non-maskable highest priority interrupt. When trap occurs, then microprocessor start execution from 0024H automatically. RST 7.5, RST 6.5, RST 5.5 restart interrupt. These are active high maskable interrupt. RST 7.5 is edge trigger interrupt. RST 6.5 and RST 5.5 are level trigger interrupt. When RST 7.5, RST 6.5 and RST 5.5 occurs, then the microprocessor transfer program control to vector addresses 003CH, 0034H and 002C respectively. INTR and INTA interrupt request and acknowledgement. INTR is an active high-level trigger general purpose interrupt. When INTR occurs, the microprocessor generate interrupt acknowledge signal INTA. Hold and HLDA. Hold is an active high input signal used by the master controller to request microprocessor for gaining the control of addresses, data and control buses. When microprocessor receive hold request signal, then microprocessor complete current machine cycle, that is operation, and releases bus control for other master in the system. Microprocessor also generate HLDA signal to acknowledge requesting device after receiving hold signal. Reset in, reset input. This is an active low input reset signal used to reset microprocessor. When this signal is received by microprocessor clear program counter, that is 0000, and makes addresses, data and control line tri-stated and start execution from memory location 0000H onwards. Reset out. Reset output. This is an active high output signal generated by the microprocessor after receiving reset signal and used as a system to reset the other devices in the system. SID and SOD. Serial input data and serial output data. SID and SOD are an active high input and output serial port pin respectively. SID means SID pins are used to accept 1-bit data under the software control. SOD pin are used to transfer 1-bit data from CPU under the software control. X1 and X2. These are clock input pin connected to the crystal LC or RC circuit. LC means inductance circuit and RC means resistor circuit. Resistors and capacitor circuit. The crystal frequency is divided by 2 and used as operating frequency. Clock out. This is an output clock signal and used as a system clock. The internal operating frequency is available on this pin and used to operate other devices in the system with same speed. 8085 microprocessor architecture. The architecture is divided in following groups. First one, register group. Second one is arithmetic and logical section. Third one is instruction registers, decoder and control group. Fourth one is address and address data buffers. Fifth one is interrupt control group, and sixth one is serial input output group. Register group. This group consists of three types of registers. First one, temporary register, second one general purpose register, and third is special purpose register. First, temporary register. The 8-bit microprocessor provides two 8-bit temporary registers, that is W and Z, and not available for the user. They are used by the microprocessor itself for internal operations such as to store operand, immediate operand, or address of the memory. General purpose register. The 8085 provides 6 general purpose register of 8 bit each, that is B, C, D, E, H and L. These registers are available for the use and can be used to store 8-bit data or can be used to form a register pair such as BC, DE and HL to store 16-bit data. Special purpose register. 8085 has three special purposes, that is program counter PC, stack pointer SP and increment decrement latch. Program counter PC, it is a 16-bit register used for sequencing of the execution of the program. These registers always point to the memory location from which the next instruction is to be fetched and executed. When the microprocessor performs the operation of fetching instruction, the PC content are automatically incremented by 1 to point next instruction. Stack pointer SP, it is a 16-bit register to address stack location. Stack is user defined reserved portion of the memory where data can be stored temporarily. SP always point current top of stack. The SP is decremented after each stack write operation and incremented after each stack read operation. Increment and decrement and latch. It is a 16-bit register used to increment or decrement the content of the program counter and stack pointer register while storing the program into the memory. Arithmetic and logical section. These group consist of ALU, arithmetic logic unit, accumulator, temporary register and flag register. Arithmetic and logic unit. The 8-bit ALU perform arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction and logical operations such as adding, ORing and XORing etc. on 8-bit data at a time. It takes operand from 8-bit temporary register and 8-bit accumulator. After performing operation, the result is placed in the accumulator only. Accumulator. The accumulator is an 8-bit general purpose register and one of the two operand register for ALU. It is also called as a register and is available for the user to store data temporarily. After performing operation, ALU plays result in the accumulator. Temporary register. This is an 8-bit register W and Z and not available for the user. The microprocessor 8085 architecture diagram is shown in the diagram. Flag register. The ALU include 5 flip-flops which are set reset after the operation according to the condition of the result in the accumulator and other registers. They are called 0, Z, carry CY, sign S, parity P and auxiliary carry AC flags. It is an 8-bit register and not available for the user. It provides status of the result of the different operation performed by ALU. The flag register is connected to ALU. CY carry flag. If an operation performed in ALU generate a carry from B7 bit to next stage, the CY flag is set to 1, which act as ninth bit of result of addition, and borrow flag for the subtraction. If there is no carry borrow out of most significant bit B7 of the result, then CY flag is reset. P parity flag. This bit is used to indicate parity of the result. If the result contains even number of 1's complement, this flag is set to 1, otherwise it is reset to 0. AC auxiliary carry flag. If an operation performed in the ALU generate a carry from D3 to D4, then AC flag is set to 1, else it is reset to 0. That is, carry generated from lower nibble to higher nibble. This is not a general purpose flag, it is used only by the microprocessor to perform binary to BCD conversion. Z0 flag. If the result of the operation performed by ALU is 0, then Z flag is set to 1, else it is reset to 0. S sign flag. In sign magnitude number, the sign of the number as indicated by most significant bit B7 to 8-bit number. The sign flag is a copy of B7 bit to indicate that result of operation performed by the ALU is negative. SC. When result is negative, these flag will set to 1, else reset to 0 for positive result. Instruction register, decoder and control section. Instruction register IR. It is 8-bit register used to store the opcode of current instruction of a program temporarily. When microprocessor reads opcode from memory, it is loaded in the instruction register and then transferred to decoder for decoding. Instruction decoder ID. It accepts an opcode of the instruction from the instruction register, decode it and gives information to the control logic. The information include what operation is to be performed, who is going to perform, how many operand bytes the instruction has, etc. Timing and control unit. It accepts information from the instruction decoder and generate different control signal. This block accepts clock input to perform sequencing and synchronizing operation by generating different status and control signal. Addresses and addresses data buffer section. Addresses buffer. This is an 8-bit unidirectional buffer. These are used to derive the higher order addresses bus. When they are not in use or under such condition such as reset, hold, halt, this buffer is used to tri-state to address line. Address data buffer. This is an 8-bit bidirectional buffer used for address and data. It is used to drive lower order addresses and data buses. Interrupt control section. These blocks accept different interrupt request input such as trap, RST 7.5, RST 6.5, RST 5.5 and INTR. When valid interrupt request is present, it informs to control logic to take action to each signal. In response to trap, RST 7.5, RST 6.5, RST 5.5 and INTR is transferred to corresponding vector addresses. But for INTR, it generates INTA signal to acknowledge the same and accept that the external device should send opcode of call instruction along with vector addresses so that the program control can be transferred and action can be taken for the interrupt request. Serial input output control section. The serial data transfer is implemented by 8085 by using SID and SOD pin. The data can be accepted from SID pin or the data can be transferred on SOD pin under software control by input output control block. To perform serial data transfer, two instructions are provided in the instruction set of 8085, that is RIM RIM and SIM SIM. Okay, thank you students.